How to create navigation bar in Canva. So whether you have created your own template or you are using one of the templates from Canva, it doesn't matter as the process is the same. So in this video, I have used one of the templates from Canva. So it already has a pre-made navigation bar. So generally, this is how a navigation bar looks like. So it has home, about, blog, shop, contact, and help. So usually it is located on the upper portion of the website or on the left or right corner of the website. Now once you've done creating your navigation bar, all you have to do is click on the text and then click this more option and select link. Now scroll down and you will see this section here, pages in this document. So say for example your home page is number 1, select this option and then click done. And then do the same to the rest. To see if this works, all you have to do is click on preview and it will show you a preview as to how your website will look like. Now click the drop down arrow button and then make sure to select with navigation. Now I will try using the navigation bar. So I'll click about, blog, shop, and help. And so that is how you create a navigation bar in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.